We are happy indeed. We are happy indeed. You can see the different type of masquerade. Different type of masquerade. They are showing the ability to beat each other. That's the rules and regulation. Here in Ogidi is here in the Deputy Government area, Anambra State of Nigeria. And we are here at the Omompo village, Ogidi and Ugu. We have to do respect to who respect is regard to Honorable Chief Obiora, Obiako, Ojefia Mongo, Giz Ogidi. Is the brain behind this celebration, is the chief host, willingly not forcingly. He donated a lot of money to see that he celebrated one for festival this year, being 20th day of July 2024, and we are here at the Omompo family, Ogidi and Ugu, in Ogidi local government area. In the Dembele local government area, Anambra State of Nigeria.